Liam in for bear, the last part of the HAI Wordmark. 3 moves, a marquee loop at 3 speeds, slow, medium, fast, every letter flying in from scattered positions and rotations to land as the full wordmark and the exit family. How the HAI Wordmark loops, how it assembles from nothing, and how it leaves. Marquee loop, full-size wordmark tracks horizontal at 3 speeds, slow, medium, fast, cut on the beat. The speed jump is the edit. Assembly, every glyph flies in from a scattered position and rotation to land in its slot. The chaos order arc, watch whether the landing reads as arrival or collapse. Exit family, 3 quick exits back to back, letter drop, blur out, wipe close. The word leaves 3 ways, which when you'd actually cut to black on, that's the judgment. Let's recap with Claude. Marquee loop at 3 speeds, slow reads as ambient, medium as active, fast as urgency. Assembly, every glyph flies from scattered chaos to the full wordmark. The spring duration decides everything. Exit family, letter drop, blur out, wipe close. 19 techniques, 1 mark. Humanitarians AI has range. Your turn, paste this, scatter every glyph in Humanitarians AI to a random position and rotation, then spring them all home into the wordmark and tell me the right duration. 2 fast reads as a snap, 2 slow reads as chaos. The right duration reads as intention. HAI Wordmark in Motion, Part 5, all 19, Liam in for bear.